Welcome to Tap Tap Tap, an expense splitting app to assist groups of people to divide shared costs. Oftentimes, we need to figure out money owed to each other in a group setting, such as a New Year party, a group trip to Europe, a small dinner at a restaurant. This app could be helpful in these cases. During my time at Flatiron School, there are a total of 5 phases. This is the phase 4 project that I worked on with one of my cohort mate, Connie. The front end is equipped with HTML, CSS, and React libraries such as animate.css and particle.bg, which creates the animation you're looking at right now on the landing page. We utilize cookies to store user information and session hash to persist data across multiple requests. Let's sign up for account and test out the application. For existing users, they can click on sign in and go straight into their account with information provided. But for new users, we have to create a new account. Let's create one right now. Full name, Spiderman, spiderman@gmail.com. Now the cool thing about this sign up process is that if you enter a password that's not strong enough, it's gonna give you a hint saying you need a stronger password. Let's go ahead and do that. Submit. It's great. So you don't have anything right now because this is a new account. Let's say we want to host a dinner party with some of my friends. I'll select from the participation list and then put Avery, Connie, Steven, submit. Once the tab is submitted, it will tell you created it successfully, and let's go to current tab and take a look at the tab. On this session, there's several things you can do, and then it's gonna give you some information on how much you owe to other people. On first session, you'll see new items over here. You can add expenses, such as if this is dinner party, you want to order sushi. It's gonna cost $300. It's really good sushi, and maybe I'll need some beer. That costs $100. So like that, it's because you added the expenses over here. That's why it's showing you don't owe anything because you're paying for all these expenses right now. So all the participants that you selected or invited to the dinner party, they'll also be able to go to their account, sign in, and add items to this tab. So, and if you decided to not have the party anymore, you can go ahead and delete the party, and then you'll have a prompt saying, are you sure you want to delete? Click yes, it's gonna be gone. So now let's create again and then test out other functions. Dinner party. We're still gonna invite uh, Avery, Connie, and Steven. Submit. Once we go here, let's add this back. Some beer. Great. So assuming I paid for everything for this dinner and I want to settle and let my friends know how much they owe me, I'm gonna go ahead and click on settle. Are you sure to settle this tab? And then click yes. And then go to complete tabs. You're gonna see the bill that you settled or the tab that you settled showed up here. And over here it says Avery should pay you $100. Connie and Steven should also pay you $100. Because me as a Spider-Man paid for everything in the party, I don't owe them anything and they owe me this much. So all these data are efficiently stored in Postgres backend. There are also a few other features that we wanted to add to this application, but didn't get to because of time limitation, such as exporting the expenses as PDF or Excel that allows users to play around with the data. In addition, payment integration with Stripe will be really cool, so the users can actually make payments right on the platform instead of somewhere else. That's it for this project. Hope you enjoyed it.